Welcome back guys to the channel. My name is Marcos and today we're unboxing this IOWODO smartwatch. The model number is the R3 Pro. I'll leave the link below on the description, the link for the product. So this device is a smartwatch and it has some general rules. It's the black color. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Inside the box, what do we get? Inside the box, we get this watch. We get a nice manual, a lot of pages. We get how to connect to your Android app downloading, and most likely it'll also work with iPhone, but we'll check that out. So we get the nice USB charger, has a magnetic charger for the back of the watch, and this is what the watch looks like as well. Right here, it gives you the option to scan the QR code to download the app. And it also comes with an extra band right here. This one's more of a soft feel band, and then this is more of a like a leathery plastic band right here. So let's take out this plastic and let's turn it on. All right guys, so here we have the watch, the IOWODO R3 Pro. So as you can see, it has a nice beautiful display. The display in the front is a 1.69 HD touchscreen, so it does have touchscreen features built in on the display. Beautiful display, as you can see. And then it does have one button here, so it's pretty much like your wake up button and like your next or back button. It has like a nice plastic feeling around the edges of the watch itself. Feels like a nice glass in the front. Here in the back is where you would connect your charger. Like I said, it comes with a nice rubbery plastic band, and it also has a soft soft band replacement built in. So it's another band you can, with some Velcro, that you can swap it out by changing these clips here. So it's a fitness watch. So pretty much what this does, it'll actually track your steps, it'll track your sleep, it'll track your blood oxygen level, your heart rate. It has a heart rate monitor built in, so very useful. And also has sports modes where you can actually record some workouts and stuff like that. So let me show you how to pair it. Initially, what you want to do is you want to scan this with your phone, with your smartphone, and then it's gonna take you to the store, to the App Store or the Play Store, and then you'll download the app. The app that you would download, it's called the Glory Fit. And then pretty much to pair it, you would register or skip. Once you register or skip, you can actually go into devices, add new device, search for device. So it will scan. Once it scans, so find the R3 Pro. You pretty much want to click on it. Once you click on it, it'll pair. It's telling us we do have weak battery, but the app has a lot of features. So pretty much what it does, the app will track your sleep, your heart rate, your body temperature, your blood oxygen. It offers 25 sports. So if you're gonna go running, if you're gonna go cycling, if you're gonna play basketball and you wanna track your activity, your calories, your heart rate and everything else in your workout, you can actually choose one of these, and actually it'll track your distance and your calories and how much you burn and how many steps you did and stuff like that. You can actually receive text via the watch itself. Once the texts come in, if you have it on, it'll let you know. You can actually answer calls as well here through the notification screen. Will come out here, and then you can say yes or no. And then pretty much you can change your watch faces. You have over, let's see, I think it said over 125 watch faces. So the app has a lot of info. Like I said, it tracks your steps, tracks your sports that you do, your workouts. If you were to press this button, scroll up, you can actually read your text. If you were to scroll down, you can actually get into the settings. And then if you were to scroll to the left, you can see everything. So you can track your training. It'll give you like a readout of your steps for the day, how many kilometers and how many calories you burn. It can track your heart rate, your blood oxygen level, your body temperature. It'll even track your sleep. So it'll tell you how many hours you were in deep sleep, how many hours you were in light sleep, and how many hours you were awake during the night. I like that feature. It does have a weather feature, so as long as your GPS is on, it'll track your weather. It does have a built-in stopwatch. It also has a flashlight mode. It has a find mode, so it'll make your phone ring. So right now, if you can't find your phone, the app will actually make your phone ring and vibrate. And that's it. Settings as well. You can change the dial colors. You can check the system, change the way the layout looks like, so you can change it. A lot of customization. It is IP68 waterproof, so you can take it in the shower. It shouldn't matter if you take it in the shower. And let me show you what it looks like on, so you guys can see. So this is what the watch actually looks like on my hand. So very nice, very stylish. Like I said, nice plastic filling around the area, around the edges, and then top glass on the front. Battery life, so you need to charge this. A full battery charge takes about two and a half hours, but the battery should last about 10 to 15 days. So it depends on how many notifications you get. That's how long the battery is gonna last. So very stylish, very comfortable. The band could be a little bigger, but this will get the job done if you like to count your steps, like to count some calories when you're working out. And it's pretty much a nice workout device. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing to let you know about this device, and hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.